Hi. I remember that earlier post I posted about Hoot being scared about the thunderstorm. Well, some sense kicked into her, and obviously she's like,
Dad, I ain't got no time to waste with that thunderstorm. I ain't got no time with that. My daddy kicked that thunderstorm's ass. My daddy took that thunderstorm, took him out just one hit, wow.
that's 2 hits.
You know what I mean, Daddy. You know what I mean.
Hoot, are you still feeling as scared as you were earlier?
No, Daddy, I'm waiting for Mama to come home because she's gonna feed me.
I mean, they could feed you too if you want to.
Yeah, but Mama feeds me the way I like, so I gotta keep that going, the way I like.
Alright. Anyway. You know Daddy loves you. You know Daddy loves you. I love you. Daddy's always gonna be here to protect you.
Oh, Daddy! Oh, you give me the best kisses. Oh, no.
I know. I'm so glad you're not scared of thunderstorm. Daddy whooped that thunderstorm ass. That's what I'm saying. You know right, Hoot?
Oh, yeah, Daddy, you're the best. You kick that thunderstorm.